Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing money added to your account while you were sleeping. Sounds fake, right? It's not. Here's exactly how I did it. I created a simple digital product, just a PDF guide, and uploaded it to Etsy. It took me 1 weekend to make it using free tools like Canva. Now, every time someone buys it, Etsy automatically delivers it to them. No packaging, no shipping, no extra work. I priced it at $9, and last night I got 6 sales while I slept. That's $54 without lifting a finger. The best part is, you don't need to be an expert or a designer. People are searching every day for things like budget trackers, meal planners, or kids' chore charts. Pick something simple, create it once, and let it sell again and again. This is called passive income, and it's a real way to make money without trading your time for hours of work. Start small, experiment, and watch how quickly those small payments add up. If you like this video, please hit subscribe. See you in the next video.